Welcome back to the channel, guys. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, guys, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's see what we will be expecting on our GBP USD for the day. So let first take a look at your forward time frame. You would clearly see that your forward time frame says this is a bearish market move. 4 hour is literally dropping. Then we had this multiple rejection here, which is the first rejection here. And here comes the second rejection, which is a double top. So market was able to push up and then a drop. Market eventually push up again, and now we are having this drop. This is to tell you that this is the reversal movement. Market is dropping, right? So one thing you should be expecting next on GBP USD is your pullback and then another drop. So guys, a bearish move is what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. Now, take a look at it on your daily time frame right here. So guys, if this is your first low, this is your lower high. Now we will be anticipating for another lower low. So this is for position traders or a swing traders that would like to their position for a very long term, right? You should be going in for the sell because GBP USD will still give us more drop, right? So have this in mind that in the next 2, 3, 4, and even 5 weeks, GBP USD is going to drop very well. So the trend for GBP USD is now on a downtrend. So we have now reversed from an uptrend to a downtrend now. So this was the previous trend, which is what? An uptrend. The previous trend was an uptrend move. Now we are in a downtrend move. So that is to tell you that more sell is to come on GBP USD. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on the subscribe button, guys. Like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will put the link to the Telegram in the comment section.